So what's in the oven today?
Today we're going to be making skinny chocolate chip buttermilk scones.
Don't you mean scones?
Whatever. What you need to do is set your oven to 375 because you have to preheat it. Then I'm going to be doubling the recipe because we have a lot of customers. So you start off with 2 eggs and beat it. Then you should add 1.5 cups of buttermilk, low-fat buttermilk, because these are low-fat cookies, believe it or not.
Aren't they scones?
That's right, scones.
Or scones?
Or scones. Then add 1/2 cup of sugar. Add 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And beat it in. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, and I'm also adding a couple cups of whole wheat flour. 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in 6 tablespoons of chilled butter that is cut in small pieces.
What are you doing there?
If you have a pastry blender, it would be probably easier, but obviously I don't have one.
So what are you doing?
I am mixing it in.
Why are you using knives?
Folding it in, I should say.
Oh, and the knives help for that?
Yep. Okay, then after you get the butter in, you're going to add a cup of mini chocolate chips, and you're going to mix it in.
Or rather, knead it in?
Or knead it in, whichever you want to call it. And then the recipe calls for kneading this batter. So what you're going to have to do is take it out of the bowl and put it on a floured surface. Looks good already. Yummy. Or as they say on TV, scrummy. So, you're going to take it and you're going to put it on a floured surface, which I have right here, and we want to knead it. Don't have to go too crazy with it. They just want it to pretty much be stuck together. Then spray a 9-inch circle. And I cut the recipe in half here because obviously I doubled it. Take your kneaded dough, place it in this dish, spread it out. So it fits the circle. And it asks you to take it and take your knife and make some slits through it.
So you're cutting it like a pizza?
Yeah, like a pizza.
Or a pie?
Or a pie. Depending on how big of a slice you want, you can cut this into 12s. Or you can cut it into 8ths or whatever you want. Recipe mentions that if you cut it into 12s, that the calories would be obviously less. Lastly, you take an egg white, and they want you to kind of paint the top of your scone. It's
So
an egg white.
It's an egg wash?
Like an egg wash, yes. So you take 1 egg and do this.
Caught on camera.
That's all right. That's the very last thing you should take. Sprinkle on the very top of it some white granulated sugar for the finishing touches. I'll put it into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes at 375.